This is an expensive airplane. Parker says, do not mess with it. Anybody that messes with it will be expelled. Wow, I'm getting ready to touch it. Let's go. You're expelled. You're in the container. You're expelled. You're in the container. Also, you get a death sentence. Wait, what? You can't do that because you moved it. Alright, for trying to break it, you're expelled. You know that's strong, right? Wait, what? You can't do that. Alright, you managed to break it, which means, you're expelled, for a very long time. You're gonna be expelled for 10,000 years. And you don't get expelled. But you weren't going to go in the container. You're just going to go in the container, not expelled.